I got lunch. I've been gaining a lot of weight recently because of the videos I make. For today, we have boiled chicken, rice, and kimchi. This is the breast part. That's why it's so dry. It's still good though. I boiled it with garlic, chicken stock, and other aromatics. So it's like a tinola lang. Here's the garlic. It's soft and mushy. And we got kimchi.